Let's go, let's go. First game. First game again. Pook Loading versus Tres Marias. Both teams, players, tack-in po kayo. Mga hikaw, necklace, alamang nakaano, pakitanggal po. Maraming salamat. First five, Tres Marias.
Baliktad.
Pook Loading ball. Lim, fake. Pass to number 85. Number 85 to number 86. Turnover. Number 8 bringing down the ball. Surveying the lead. Pass to Almazan. Almazan to Hosteliero. Hosteliero turnover in the ball. Lim running. Lim easy 2 points. Number 8. Dribbling. Pass to Almazan. Almazan. Turnover again. Number 85. 2 points. Number 8. To Almazan. Almazan running. Turnover again. Number 85. Hindi ko nakita kung saan. Hosteliero attacking. Hosteliero 2 points. Number 0 to Lim. Lim, back to number 0. Steal by Almazan. Almazan, 3-pointer. No good. Pook ball. Number 0 to number 19. To number 85. 14 seconds to shoot. Lim, 3-pointer, wide open. It's good. 3 points. Lim. Number 8, dribbling on the ball. Pass to Almazan. Almazan. Turn over again. Almazan got the ball back. Almazan, 3-pointer. No good. Number 85 running. Number 85. Pass to number 0. Number 0 to number 88. Jumper. No good. Rebounded by Arroyo. Arroyo to Carlos. Carlos, 3-pointer is good. Hooray for Carlos. Our official score is 7-5. 2-point lead for Pook Loading. Number 0. Back to number 85 to Lim. Lim. 10 seconds to shoot. Back to number 85. Number 85. Jumper. No good. Carlos shooting a ball to Hosteliero. 14 seconds to shoot. Hosteliero no good. Number 19 to number 85. Number 85 to number 19 again. 14 seconds to shoot. Jumper for number 18. No good. Carlos running. Carlos attacking. Carlos no good. Number 0 get the ball. Pass the Lim. 1v1 situation. Lim no good. Hosteliero got the ball. Almazan. Almazan to Carlos, wide open, 3-pointer is good. 3 points for Carlos. 1 point lead for Tres Marias. Constant to Lim. Lim, three-pointer. Is good. Lim. Carlos to Almazan. Almazan, no time wasted. So good. Number 19 to Constant. Constant, jumper. No good. Lim got the ball. Second chance opportunity. Is good for Lim. 2 points. Carlos, Costeliero. Costeliero. To Almazan. To Carlos. Three-pointer, wide open. It's good again. Carlos Reed. Number 85 running. Number 85 attacking. Number 85 made no good. He got the ball again. Number 19 to Lim. 14 seconds to shoot. Lim to number 88 is good. 2 points for number 88. 3-point lead for Bohawk. Foul number 85. First personal foul. 13 seconds of the shot clock. Carlos Reporter again. No good. Number 85 to Fostan to number 19. 2 points. Number 19. Both teams already changed 5. Our official score is 16-11 in favor of Bohawk Floating. Almazan, 3 points. No good. Number 88 to number 85. Aurelio to Lim. Lim, long three. No good. Arroyo got the ball. Arroyo to Almazan. Almazan running. Almazan attacking. Kick out to Carlos, but turning it over outside. Change 5. Number 85, dribbling down the ball. Number 5, kick out to number 28, back to number 85. Number 85, jumper is good for number 85. Raimundo, dribbling down the ball. To Umali, 3-pointer. No good, rebound by number 5. Number 5 to number 22. Dribbling, attacking to number 85. Number 85 to number 27. What a good find for number 85. 2 points for number 27. Raimundo to Umali. To Raimundo. Raimundo on the frame. Got steal by number 5. Number 5 to number 22. Same ball. "17 seconds on the shot clock. Number 85 to number 22. Number 5. 14 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. Number 5 to Dizon. Dizon, 2 points. Umali running. Umali got fouled. 14 seconds of the shot clock. Umali to Yuga. Yuga to Raimundo. Raimundo, no good. Yuga got the ball. The second chance opportunity is good for Yuga. Nine-point lead for Bohawk Floating. Number 5 got fouled. Foul number 16, first personal foul. First team foul. First free throw is good for number 5. Second free throw is good for number 5. Yuga bringing down the ball to Umali. Umali, long range. No good. Number 22 got the ball. Number 22 running. Number 22 to number 85. 2 points for number 85. Raimundo to Yuga. Yuga running. Yuga attacking. Yuga. 2 points is good. Turn over. Tres Marias ball. Raimundo being defended by number 85. Raimundo to Arroyo. To Raimundo. Jumper. No good. Number 27 got the ball. Number 85 attacking. Number 85 to Dizon. Dizon got fouled. 2 points with bonus free throw. Bonus free throw for Dizon. Bonus free throw is good for Dizon. Timeout. Tres Marias. Back to the ball game. Our official score is 29-15. 14-point lead for Pook. Umali. To Raimundo, jumper. No good. Dizon got the ball. Pass to number 85. Number 85, mid-range is good, 2 points. 16-point lead for Pook. Umali. Turn over again, Tres Marias. Dizon to number 85. Number 85 to number 22. Number 22 to number 5. Dizon got the ball to number 5 again, mid-range. No good. Yuga got the ball. Turn over again. Tres Marias. Number 85 to number 27. Number 5 to Dizon. Number 5 got the ball again. Number 5 got fouled. 2 points with bonus free throw and 1. Second personal foul, number 16. Third team foul. Bonus maker no good for number 5. 50 seconds on the clock. Umali attacking. Umali loader is good for points. 40 seconds. 14 to shoot. 10 to shoot. Number 5. No good. Arroyo get the ball to Umali. 25 seconds. Umali. Umali 2 points. Boy, green is good. 15 seconds. Number 5 to number 22. To 85. 10 seconds. Number 22 wide open. 3-pointer. It's good. 3 points for number 22. End of the first quarter. Our official score is 36-19. Still in favor of Pook Loading. By the way, our next game is Marquis versus Raquel. Start of the second quarter. The West Maria's ball. Carlos, preparing the D. Costeliero. Costeliero. To Almazan. To Tracy. 10 seconds to shoot. Almazan. To Carlos. Carlos by open three-pointer. No good. Rebound by number 19. Number 28, Nubal. Got the ball to Lim. Lim to number 0. Back to Nubal. 10 seconds to shoot. Lim, three-pointer. No good. Costeliero got the ball. Costeliero to Carlos. Carlos didn't get the ball. Turn over Tres Marias. Number 28, bring down the ball. Number 28. Foul. Number 2. First personal foul, number 2. 14 seconds on the shot clock. 10 seconds to shoot. Lim to number 28. Out of bounds. Carlos. Carlos. To Almazan. Almazan to pointer. No good. Carlos get the ball. Bad pass and over again. Number 0 to Lim. Lim. No good. Costeliero attacking the paint. Almazan. Jumper again. No good. Costeliero. Second chance opportunity, no good. Number 19 got the ball. Number 0 to Lim. Lim, three-pointer. No good. Carlos got the ball. Carlos running. Carlos attacking to Almazan. Almazan waiting for his teammate. Costeliero. Costeliero, 2 points. Number 28 to number 0. Back to number 28. 14 seconds to shoot. Number 28 to number 19. Jumper. No good. Arroyo get the ball. Carlos running. Carlos. Loader. Is good. 2 points. Timeout. Pook floating. Official score 36-23. Still in favor of Pook floating. Remaining time 7 minutes and 29 seconds. Back to the ball game. Floating ball. Number 38, bringing down the ball. Nubal. Foul number 2. Second personal foul number 2. Second team foul. "14 seconds on the shot clock. Number 88, Midi is good, 2 points. Carlos. Bring on the ball. Carlos. To Tracy. To Almazan. To Costeliero. Costeliero. No good. Nubal. Attacking. Nubal. Got blocked. To Lim. Lim. Ooh. No good. Costillero to Carlos. Turnover again, Tres Marias. Number 0 to Lubal. Lubal, back to number 0 to number 88, 2 points, number 88. Arroyo, to Almazan. Carlos, the winner. No good. Marcelo got the ball to Lubal. Lubal dribbling. Foul number 28. Offensive foul number 28. First personal foul. Carlos, surveying the D. Back to Almazan. Almazan to Carlos. Carlos, jumper. No good. Number 0 got the ball. Number 0 to Marcelo. Marcelo to Lubal. Lubal paint. Lubal attacking the paint. Lubal no good. Costillero to Almazan. Turn over again. Tres Marias. Both games ready again for change 5. Lubal to Lim. Lim, long three-pointer. No good. Costillero got the ball. Costillero running. Costillero attacking. Costillero. Costillero 2 points for Costillero. Change 5. 15-point lead for Pook Loti. Our official score is 14-25. Time remaining 5 minutes and 17 seconds. Number 85 to number 5. Number 5, kick out to number 22. Number 22 to Jason. Back to number 22. To Teres, to Jason. 2 points. Jason. 17-point lead po. Umali. Umali get the ball again. Umali attacking. Umali 2 points for Umali. Number 85 being defended by Raimundo. Screen by Neves. Number 85 to number 5 to Dizon. Dizon. No foul called. Calvin. Raimundo to Umali. Umali attacking the paint. Umali. No good. Number 85. Second personal foul, number 85. Second team foul. 2 free throws for Umali. First free throw is good for Umali. Second free throw no good for Umali. Number 85, Aurelio. Screen number 5 to Dizon. Good find. Dizon 2 points. Umali. Running. Umali. To Almazan. No good. Dizon. To number 85. Number 85 dribbling. Being defended by Raimundo. To number 22. Back to number 85. Number 85. To number 10, no good. Raimundo got the ball. Raimundo. Same ball. "14 seconds on the shot clock. Raimundo, wide open 2-pointer, no good. Rebounded by number 27. Number 85 to number 5. Number 5, bomb, 2 points for number 5. Umali. To Almazan. No good. Almazan again. Umali, jumper. No good. Number 5 got the ball. Goal. Number 85, wide open lane. 2 points, number 85. Time out there for Torres Marias. 20-point lead for Pohok Loading. Our official score is 48-28. Time remaining 2 minutes and 45 seconds. Back to the ball game.
Laki ng camera mo ah.
Raimundo. No good. Raimundo got the ball again. Second chance away for Lini, no good. 10 seconds to shoot. Umali, no good. Raimundo got the ball again. 2 points. Raimundo. Number 85. 14 seconds to shoot. Number 85. 10 seconds to shoot. 2 points, number 22. Umali. Defended by number 85. Umali. Almazan. To Raimundo. Steal by number 27. Wide open number 27. Sablay yung dunk. Yuga. Loader, no good. Yuga got the ball again. Second chance opportunity, no good. Dizon got the ball. Dizon. To number 27. Ginawa bola. Kasi number 27. 2 points. Good hustle there by number 85. Raimundo. To Raimundo. Father 3-pointer. No good. Umali got the ball. Got bulak. Number 22. Saldivar to Dizon. Traveling violations. Sabi niya rep. Raimundo. 14 seconds to shoot. Steal again, number 85. To number 22. To number 85. 2 points. 35 seconds. 30 seconds. Turnover again. 1v1. Number 85. 2 points. 20 seconds. 15 seconds. Umali to Raimundo. Raimundo jumper. No good. Umali got the ball. No good. Dizon. 3 seconds. Basket count. Number 27. 2 points. Basket count with the foul. Bonus video for number 27. No good. Rep. Who's foul? Last foul.
4.
And for Roxy Lugan. Thank you so much, sponsors. I love you all.
Again.
Next game, Marquis versus Bradelos. Ready both teams for our next game.
Nakasinubal. Ayun, sinubal.
Start of the second half. Offloading ball.
Yun na. Ang na, urot na yan, boy.
Lin. Covered to Nubal. Nubal to number 88, 2 points. It's good. Carlos to Pascual. No good. Number 88 to Cruz. Cruz the Lim. No good. Pahiga yung tira. Culpa. Hosteliero got fouled. Number 88, second person. Correction, number 28, second personal foul. First team foul. First free throw is good for Hosteliero. Second free throw is good for Hosteliero. Cruz being defended by Gulma. Number 19. Back to Cruz. Backward violation. Great D for Tres Marias. Carlos. To Pascual. Pascual, 3-pointer again. 10 seconds to shoot. Lim. 5 seconds to shoot. Offensive foul number 2. First personal foul for number 2. Carlos. Jumper. Good. 2 points. Liv, number 88. Back to Liv. To Cruz. 10 seconds to shoot. Liv, 3-pointer is good. Great. Number 7. To the ball, back to Cruz. To Lim. Lim, long three. It's good. 3-pointer again for Lim.
Ball. Ball!
34, 17.
Teka, basa.
Start of the fourth quarter. Culpa. To number 8, Carlos. Corner 3 is good. 3-pointer. Sorry, walang mic ng third quarter. May low back. Technical difficulties. Ten seconds to shoot. 2 points for Lubal. Pascual, 2-pointer, good. Lubal, defended by Culpa. 14 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. Number 28, offensive foul.
Mamaya, taklo.
Third personal foul for number 28. First team foul for Hawk Loading. Culpa. Kick out to Carlos. 14 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. Culpa. 3-pointer. No good. Castellero got the ball. Second chance opportunity. Yuga. No good. Dizon got the ball. Number 85 running. Number 85 attack. 2 points. Number 85. Aurelio. Culpa to Carlos. 3-pointer is good. Lubal. To Aurelio. 10 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds to shoot. Aurelio. No good. Yuga to Carlos. Carlos. No good. Lim to Aurelio. No good but fouled. Foul number 12, first personal foul. First team foul. 2 free throws for Aurelio.
Ortega versus Marcos.
First free throw is good. Second free throw is good for Aurelio. Substitution. Culpa bringing down the ball. Culpa. Costillero. Traveling violation. Aurelio. Defended by Yuga. 14 seconds to shoot. Aurelio blocked by Pascual. Yuga attacking. Yuga. 2 points for Yuga. 13-point lead for Hawk Loading. Official score 83-17. 14 seconds to shoot. Steal. Pascual. Alone. 2 points. Pascual. 11-point lead. Foul. Foul number 0, first personal foul. Aurelio being defended by Yuga. 14 seconds to shoot. Aurelio kick out to Lim. Lim three-pointer. No good. Lim got the ball again. Lim attack. Lim. Two points. Number 22. Culpa. To Pascual. Pascual Langre. No good. Turnover. Costeliano got the ball to Carlos. Three-pointer, no good. Pascual got the ball. Number 88 to number 97. Got fouled. Foul number 0. Second personal foul number 0. Third team foul. 2 free throws for Tedes. Number 27. First free throw good for Tedes. Second free throw is good for Tedes. Culpa bringing down the ball. Culpa to Carlos. Culpa to Costeliano. Costeliano to Carlos. Carlos 2 points. Number 22 being defended by Carlos. Number 22 attack. Number 22. Good team by Pascual. Turnover. Number 22 got the ball. Cruz. Three-pointer all alone. No good. Culpa got the ball, but fouled. Number 7, second personal foul. Second team foul. Carlos, attack. Carlos got fouled. Number 88, first personal foul. Third team foul. First free throw is good for Carlos. Second free throw is good for Carlos. Aurelio being defended by Yuga. 14 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. Jumper Aurelio is good. Carlos. Costeliano. Costeliano to Culpa. Three-pointer. Culpa. No good. Marcelo got the ball. To number 7. Cruz. Cruz. To Aurelio. Aurelio! What a move! 2 points. Timeout. Teres Marias. 14-point lead for Baok Loading. Our official score is 90-76. Remaining time 4 minutes and 2 seconds in the fourth quarter. Back to the ball game. Our next game, again, Marquis versus Fratello. Carlos. Three-pointer. Got fouled. Foul number 22, first personal foul. Warning for penalty. First free throw is good for Carlos. Second free throw is good for Carlos. Third free throw is good for Carlos. Substitution. Number 5 in, number 27 out. Number 22 attacking. Number 22 to number 88, Marcelo. No good. Marcelo got fouled. Foul number 0, third personal foul. 2 free throws for Marcelo. Both teams running for penalty. First free throw, no good. Second free throw, no good. Carlos. Pascual, rebounder. It's good. 3 points for Pascual. 8-point lead for Poroklo team. Number 5 being defended by Salero. Got double team. 10 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds to shoot. Aurelio versus Yuta. No good. Pascual got the ball. Carlos running. Carlos attacking. Carlos spin. Carlos no good. Number 22 to Marcelo. Turn over Poroklo team. 8-point lead for Poroklo team. 8-point lead. 90-82. Both.
Kapila, dalawa.
Tulpa, second chance opportunity. It's good, 2 points. 6-point lead. Lim, number 5 to Aurelio. 14 seconds to shoot. Aurelio spin. Aurelio shot 2 points. What a move. Carlos to Pascual to Yuka to Ostelero. 14 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. Carlos. Floater no good. Rebound Marcelo. Leave the Cruz. Cruz running, attacking. No good. Yuka get the ball. Last 2 minutes. Pascual no good. Seconds to shoot. 5 seconds to shoot. Lee, loading, no good. Carlos at the ball. Carlos, Postelero. Lim swiped it. Postelero got again. Turn over. Cruz got the ball. Pass to Aurelio. Being double team to Lim. 14 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds to shoot. Aurelio. 2 points. Top of the key, 2 points. Timeout, Torres Marias. 10-point lead. Remaining time, 56.4 seconds. Back to the ball game. Plenty of time left. Who will win? What are your thoughts, guys? Culpa. To Carlos. Carlos. Attack. Postelero. Postelero, 2 points. Culpa got the ball. Culpa. Carlos wide open. Rebound. No good. points. 30.7 seconds remaining. Pascual attacking. Pascual, 2 points, got fouled. Number 88, second personal foul. Penalty. Bonus free throw for Pascual. Bonus free throw. No good. Second chance opportunity, Carlos. 2 points. I'm out. Timeout. Walk loading. What a game. 6-point lead for walk loading. 22.1 seconds remaining in this last quarter. Back to the ball game.
Wait!
14 seconds on the shot clock. Number 5. 10 seconds. First personal foul for Pascual. Both teams penalty. 2 free throws for Lim. Both teams penalty. Foul. Foul number 30, Pascual. First personal foul, Pascual. First free throw is good for Lim. 17.8 seconds remaining in this last quarter. Saying people no good. Pascual got the ball. Pascual to Carlos. Carlos, three-pointer. No good. Marcelo got the ball to Lim. 5 seconds. Good game for both teams. Our final score, 97-19. Your winner, Paok Loading. Good game. 7-point lead win for Paok Loading. Both teams feature po bago umalis. And for our next game,